am back with another Learning Blender video. This is project number 9, I think, on my journey to 1 year of learning. I think we're into like our second month now. I have to look back. It's pretty close to that, though. It's like just over like month number 2. And this is, so yeah, this is the next project. This is also a tutorial that's being I'm watching from Grant Abbott, and probably one of the better. And I said this, just about every video of his. Probably one of the better, if not the best, uh, instructor that I've had so far. Well, they're all good, but there are a few that are a little iffy. But Grant Abbott, seems to be the one that I float towards more because of his style. He's kind of like a Bob Ross of Blender, you know, the Blender Bob Ross, the Blender Bob. That's Grant Abbott because the way that he teaches his style, it's just, you want to learn, you want to keep on learning. So anyway, can you guess what this is? Take a wild guess. I'm not going to tell you. I'm going to show you the next when it's completed. But yeah, this is the start of it. So there you have it. Do you know what it is? Could be anything. Could be a logo. Could be anything. Just have a wild guess, and soon enough you'll find out. And that's the end of this video. See you in the next one.